Hey y'all, come on out. It's your girl Christy Too Real, and I'm back with another video, y'all. This is a story time. Hey Kitty Pop. Y'all remember Kitty Pop as Nyla, but she done got so big. Look at that baby. Look at them. She always be looking unbothered. Unbothered. Are you unbothered? See the viewers. Oh, she's unbothered. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And this video is sponsored by Roadside. It is a 24-hour tire service, and they have financing now. So if you want to finance you some tires, and that is in the Atlanta and Texas area, so give them a call. I use them for all my tire needs as well. But anyway, y'all, let's get into this video. This video is a story time on how my homegirl sold her cat to a homeless man, girl. The ghetto. Let me get a little bit more of this. Ooh, still smell like musty ass arm sweat. But I'm still gonna guzzle it back, y'all. I had 2 bottles of this. Y'all remember, this the last bottle. I wanted to gift it to one of y'all, but I know y'all was gonna talk about me like a dog once you tasted it, baby. But anyway, come on out. Let's get into it. Kitty Pop, simmer down over there. She's wild. Anyway, y'all, let's get into it. Let me just go ahead and give you the backstory. This girl, she was a young girl. For some reason, when I first started working this job, this young girl befriended me. And back then, I don't know what it is. Even now, like, young girls like to try to befriend me. Not that it's a problem, but I'm 32 years old. Baby, me and you can't really do nothing, baby. I don't know if y'all don't know my age or what. I feel like I look kind of old, like a mature woman. I don't know. Girl, come on out. But anyway, this was back when I was living in Atlanta, and I knew nothing about Backpage, y'all. I ain't know nothing. I didn't even know what that was until I became friends with this girl. And she used to come get me. We used to go out to eat. I'm like, okay, this gonna be like my little sister. Like, she's a sweet girl. She was a gorgeous little girl, y'all. She was like 19. But she had a fake ID and everything. Because, baby, I used to be ordering drinks and hit her ass, follow me up to ordering them too, girl. So, I met her boyfriend, which turned out to be her pimp. But let's get into it. So, I met her boyfriend or whatever and before. And, you know, some of her family members. She was a sweet girl, but she was kind of ditzy, y'all. You know that type of, when you try to have a conversation with somebody, and the conversation be like, yeah, and y'all both done said yeah about 6 times. Bitch, what is we talking about? Because now you making me feel slow too. Am I slow? Did I lose some brain cells too? Because, bitch, you tripping. Anyway, y'all, so one week she wanted me to go out to eat with her like every damn day, every night. And I'm like, okay, bitch, I like to eat. So, but every time we would go out to eat, y'all, we would end up at a motel room. Like, I'd be waiting outside, and she'll run in there. 5 minutes later, 10 minutes at the most, she'll be right back. And she'd be like, oh, girl, here goes some money for riding with me. I'm like, okay, thanks, girl. I would say no. But after I say no 2 times, that 3rd one, baby, I'm going to take the money. Coming out. Just for future references, baby. So, I kind of got suspicious. So, I finally asked her, like, girl, what's going on? She was like, girl, I like sell my cat on Backpage. What you had said, I couldn't really hear. Baby, when I tell y'all, have y'all ever seen them German Shepherds? Baby, my ear went out and forward like a German Shepherd. Baby, it was, what was it? What was it? Baby, I wanted to know, baby. I turned into Zoe. Anyway, so I was like, girl, what your boyfriend say about this? She was like, oh, he don't say nothing. He booked my clients for me, and he hide in the closet in the hotel room with a pistol and stuff, just in case somebody try to, you know, hurt me or something. Come here. Come a little closer. That ain't your boyfriend, that's your pimp. Ooh, my nose greasy, baby. Every time I drink this musty ass wine, my nose grease up. y'all know I get off track when I'm sipping on that yak. Baby. Y'all, I went to brunch before this video, girl, and had a couple drinks there, but them drinks was a little too high, so I had to come on home, have me some more drinks. So excuse me, I might be a little tipsy. Anyway, so y'all, I tried to look out and be like, girl, you ain't got to do this. You are beautiful. That girl had 2 jobs and was going to school. Ma'am, you ain't got to do this. I said, if that's really your boyfriend, you call him right now and say that you don't want to do that no more, and he will support you. She called that man on speakerphone. Baby, she said, I don't want to do this no more. I just want to go to school. That man said, bitch, girl, he said, you selfish as hell. You know I need money. Baby, I was holding baby, I clutched my pearls. She was like, yeah. Girl crying. And I'm trying to console the girl. I'm like, girl, that boy is not your boyfriend. That's your pimp, girl. Is you not? I don't know, girl. It must have finally registered once I started badgering her with all these questions. But anyway, let me talk about you sleeping with a homeless man. So she said that, girl, the homeless man was one of her clients, girl. Y'all, close your eyes and envision this. Stop peeking. Close your eyes. Oh, girl, I thought I seen something. Close your eyes. Picture this. Your boyfriend / pimp is in the closet. He done booked you a client. He don't know who the client is. The man walk in and it is a homeless man. He probably in a dusty ass New York fucking peacoat. I don't know, but it stank as hell. She said he had a watch. She said she don't even know where he got the money from. She just said that, baby, he came in there with the money in the whole room. He dropped his pants and the whole room was engulfed with stankness. Damn. Okay, close your eyes again, y'all. I'm sorry, I got off sidetrack. I got off track. Okay, close your eyes. Envision this, y'all. He done walked in the room. Probably got on some dirty cowboy boots. I don't know. Some shoes with a hole in it. Socks got a hole in it. I don't know. But he done took his pants down. 2 flies from South Africa flew out the man pants off them dusty balls and flew out of his pants. And it just went to smelling like Swahili. Okay, that's the language. Never mind. It went to smelling bad in there, okay? Like a junkyard. It was just not even a junkyard. They probably smell good. It just went to smelling like booty, okay? Dookie ball crumbs. Dookie ball. Y'all gonna learn on this channel. I love saying dookie or dookie balls. Okay, anyway, I'm back. All right, y'all. Keep your eyes closed. Just imagine she's laying on her back. She's opening up her legs to somebody stank as hell. Did y'all get the feeling that I got? Sickening. So, girl, I said, what? She was telling me this story. She was like, girl, he had the whole room stank. I said, girl, you slept with a homeless man? She was like, girl, I didn't let him touch me. Baby. You didn't let him touch you, but you let him sleep with you? Oh, bitch. Baby, let me tell you something. I stopped talking to a boy because his feet was stank one time. I ain't even let him climb up in my bed. Them shoes, them socks was stank. Feet was stank. I don't know. I'm not letting you get in my bed with them Cheeto bites, baby. Hell to the no. I stopped talking to him, baby. I blocked him. And you think I let a homeless man climb my back and get in my cat? Rat-a-tat-tat with them stank ball sack? No, man. Damn, baby. Girl, I knew then, baby. You tripping. Y'all. Hell to the no, girl. I thought she felt some type of way when I said that, but baby, I ain't letting. Baby, let me tell you something. I'm not selling no cat, and I damn sure ain't giving it up to no homeless man. Stank. Girl, Girl, she said that her boyfriend, pimp, got out the closet and was like, it stank as hell in here. She talking about, I don't know where he got the money from, girl. Excuse me. I got sick. Just thinking about it made me sick. Ugh. But y'all, the sad thing is I used to be giving this girl speeches trying to talk her out of the stuff that she was doing. But I had to realize, baby, this young girl, this girl is stuck doing what she want to do. I can't stop her from doing anything she wants to do. At this point, this girl used to making fast money and she don't want to stop. No matter how many speeches I give her, I don't know. But my last straw, y'all, hanging with her, because after me keep trying to talk you out of doing something like that, because mind you, I just didn't know what Backpage was. I was living on the surface. She was already underground. I ain't know what none of this stuff was. Call me naive or what. I just didn't know that people was doing this stuff. So, and you know what I'm saying, but especially at a person that's that young age, like you young. I'm 32 now, so I mean, I had to be like 28 or some shit. No, I had to be like, 27, 28 or some shit like that. Anyway, I had to be a little young because this was a couple years ago. But y'all, I used to try to talk her out of that, but my last straw was when she was like, can you please... Can I say one more thing, y'all? This boy that you calling your boyfriend, mind you, y'all, this girl was riding in a Honda with tape on the damn on the muffler or whatever, the damn bumper. This boy had a nice ass car, Lexus or some shit. He had a nice ass high-rise condo, nice. And you riding around in this Honda when you laying on your back? Girl. Now, you know, I had a million speeches to say about that, but baby, it wasn't helping. She wouldn't stop. This man is using and abusing you, ma'am. He ain't doing nothing. You the one who laying on your back and that's your boyfriend, girl, please. That man is not finna wife you. I'm sorry. But y'all, I think she tried to stop. She tried to stop talking to him for a little while because one time, which is my last straw, is when she called me. She was trying to do some side stuff on her own, trying to get her apartment and stuff. I guess she didn't want to give him her money or whatever at this point. She wanted to keep her money. So she had called me. She was like, will you please ride with me to the studio? And I'm like, girl, what you doing at the studio? She was like, it's some boys with monies up in there. And it's some men with money up in there. And I'm gonna go up there. I said, you finna do somebody up in there? She was like, I said, well, she said, yeah. I said, well, how many people you about to lay up with in there? She was like, how many people you finna sleep with in there is what I'm trying to figure out. She was like, all of them. All of them? Bitch, I ain't going nowhere with you. Girl, go up in there and that damn thing. They been thought I'm selling my little twat too. Oh, no, ma'am, baby. That's dangerous. I told her how dangerous that was, and what she doing in life is dangerous, period. Baby, you need to cut that out. That was my last straw. I ended up riding with her, like, before she asked me that. And, like, I felt bad because, you know, I felt like I was badgering her with speeches, and she just wouldn't. So I just stopped after a while. But that was it. I knew that she wasn't fit to stop. That was my last straw. But the icing on the cake is when she was riding on the wrong side of the road, taking me home. I don't know. I told her she was ditzy and she went to jail, y'all. And she was like, I drove her car and she was like, will you please go up under my mattress, get some money and bond me out? And so I did that. And after that, I never talked to her again after that, y'all. I saw her on Instagram, you know, like a couple years back, but I haven't seen her since then or whatever. But that was a beautiful girl. She had so much potential, but she was doing that. Now I heard they shut that site down or whatever, so maybe she could finally just live a regular life. But I got a feeling like women still know how to. Oh, I got hiccup. Oh, this making me sheepy. But y'all, here's the kicker. I just thought about something. I just had an epiphany. Here's the kicker. One time she was like, I could make a lot of money. When I was trying to talk to her into stopping, she was like, I know, girl, I can make a lot of money. I do 5 a night. And you know how much money that? 5 a night, baby. This cat. Baby, this cat snapped back, but damn, baby, I can't sell my cat. I'm here to tell you now. I'm a lazy little heifer. And baby, if it come with sleeping with homeless men, bitch, I'm not the candidate for it, baby. I'm here to tell you. But anyway, I went to count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Damn, you work on Sundays too? Because I'm trying to see something. How many men did you slide up? Damn. Girl, I don't know what type of elastic cat you got, but baby, I ain't got that. Baby, no. I'm 32, and baby, I damn sure ain't putting that much wear and tear on my cat. You tripping, young lady. But baby, I knew then you don't give a hot diggity dog damn. You don't care. I knew then, y'all. No, ma'am. Y'all, 5 a night? Damn. Baby, I'm in a committed relationship. I can't keep up with one. Too much wear and tear with one is enough for me, baby. You try to hump me too many days of the week, baby. Hey. She ain't doing all that now. Calm down. My little middle thing laying to the side. Now she tired. Come on out. Anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this story time. Let your girl know if you want more story times. I do have some wig, like my little, the little cheap wig videos to upload and everything. I know I've been missing. I'm sorry. I got a lot of uploads to do this week. I should have been on it, but y'all, I've been all over the place. And y'all be talking about my hair. Y'all, I took my braids out so I could, because I had on a wig, but I just put my hair in a bun. This is all my real hair. It is matted all up. So I put it in a bun. Y'all know my hair is naturally curly, but I tried to take them braids out and kind of let it blow dry it or whatever and put it in a little bun. So I will do a natural hair, real hair video for you guys in the future if that's what you want to see as well. But y'all, give me some ideas of what you want to see on this channel. If you want more story times, if you want to see whatever, just let me know. But anyway, comment, like, subscribe. Thanks y'all again for showing a ratchet some love, always giving me good vibes. Even the people that want to give me negative vibes, that's fine as well. Whatever. Anyway, love you guys. I'm tipsy, so I'm all willy-nilly. Bye.